In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a story in Hootsuite. This task might seem a bit daunting at first, but with these simple steps, you'll be able to manage your social media presence with ease and efficiency. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you typically use. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar and type in Hootsuite. After hitting enter, you should see Hootsuite's main website in the search results. Go ahead and click on that link to access their platform. Now, once you're on the Hootsuite website, it's time to log in. This is a straightforward process if you've previously created an account. If not, you will need to do so to follow along. Enter your login details, which typically include your email and password, and gain access to the dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you've successfully logged in, take a look at the main navigation menu located on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll want to locate the Planner option. Clicking on Planner will direct you to Hootsuite's scheduling tool, which is an essential feature for managing your posts efficiently. Now that you're in the Planner section, it's helpful to switch to the week view. This gives you a better overall picture of your posting schedule. Identify the specific day and time where you want your story to be published. Simply click on the corresponding time slot to begin scheduling your post. In the scheduling window that pops up, you'll notice a drop-down labeled Post. Click on this drop-down menu, and from the options provided, select Story. This allows you to specify that you're scheduling a story rather than a typical post. The next step is to enter the content of your story. Start by composing the text portion of your story, keeping it engaging and concise. After that, add any media you'd like to include, such as photos or videos. Make sure the visual content enhances your message effectively. Don't forget to personalize your story with hashtags or mentions, as these can help increase your reach and engagement significantly. With everything set, you're ready to schedule the story. Look for the option that allows you to schedule the post for a future date and time. Select the desired date and time, ensuring it aligns with your overall content strategy. Once you're satisfied, hit the Schedule button, and voila! Your story is now scheduled. Finally, you can confirm your story is set up correctly by checking your content calendar. The scheduled post will appear at the designated time, giving you peace of mind that your content strategy is on track. And there you have it. You've successfully scheduled a story in Hootsuite.